The process to appointing a new Chief Medical Officer for Niue Hospital has hit a snag and is proving to be a lot more difficult than anticipated. The position, formerly known as Senior Medical Officer, was left vacant with the sudden departure of Dr. Alex Rekovich early last year. According to the chairperson of government's employment body, the Niue Public Service Commission, 4 potential candidates have been interviewed and a selection process has been made by the panel, but nothing is official until negotiations are completed. It was hoped that an announcement would be made yesterday. However, matters such as salary and other issues needed to be discussed. Whatever formalities needed to be sorted, people would be more reassured with the appointment of a Chief Medical Officer sooner rather than later.